Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu। आज की वीडियो वन ऑफ आवर व्यूअर्स की रिक्वेस्ट पर है। अगर आपको भी वॉज एंड वर को यूज़ करने में कंफ्यूजन आती है तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज हम 50 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस के थ्रू वॉज और वर को बहुत ही इजी वे में सीखेंगे और प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे। सो स्टे विद मी एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
मैं कल घर पर थी। I was at home yesterday. I was at home yesterday. वह खुश था. He was happy. He was happy. वह बीमार थी. She was sick. She was sick. मैं बहुत व्यस्त थी. I was very busy. I was very busy. मौसम अच्छा था. The weather was nice. The weather was nice. The weather was nice. मैं स्कूल में थी. I was at school. I was at school. वह कमरे में था. He was in the room. He was in the room. हम कल पार्क में थे. We were in the park yesterday. We were in the park yesterday. वे बहुत खुश थे. They were very happy. They were very happy. आप सही थे. You were right. You were right. हम दोस्त थे. We were friends. We were friends. बच्चे बाहर थे. The children were outside. The children were outside. वे घर पर थे. They were at home. They were at home. हम तैयार थे. We were ready. We were ready. आप व्यस्त थे. You were busy. You were busy. हम समय पर थे. We were on time. We were on time. मैं थकी हुई थी. I was tired. I was tired. वह बहुत उत्साहित था. He was very excited. He was very excited. वह घर में अकेली थी. She was alone at home. She was alone at home. मैं कल बाजार में थी. I was at the market yesterday. I was at the market yesterday. वह बहुत दयालु था. He was very kind. He was very kind. वे बैठक में थे. They were in the meeting. They were in the meeting. हम छुट्टी पर थे. We were on vacation. We were on vacation. आप मेरे साथ थे. You were with me. You were with me. बच्चे खेल के मैदान में थे. The children were on the playground. The children were on the playground. वे बहुत व्यस्त थे. They were very busy. They were very busy. मैं कल खुश थी. I was happy yesterday. I was happy yesterday. वह कार्यालय में था. He was in the office. He was in the office. वह मेरी शिक्षिका थी. She was my teacher. She was my teacher. हम एक टीम थे. We were a team. We were a team. वे पड़ोसी थे. They were neighbors. They were neighbors. आप बहुत मददगार थे. You were very helpful. You were very helpful. मैं तैयार थी. I was ready. I was ready. वह चिंतित था. He was worried. He was worried. वह शांत थी. She was calm. She was calm. हम कल साथ थे. We were together yesterday. We were together yesterday. वे कक्षा में थी. They were in the classroom. They were in the classroom. मैं बहुत खुश थी. I was very happy. I was very happy. वह घर पर था. He was at home. He was at home. वह पुस्तकालय में थी. She was in the library. She was in the library. हम रास्ते में थे. We were on the way. We were on the way. वे तैयार थे. They were ready. They were ready. आप कल वहाँ थे. You were there yesterday. You were there yesterday. बच्चे खुश थे. The children were happy. The children were happy. हम घर के बाहर थे. We were outside the house. We were outside the house. वे मेरे साथ थे. They were with me. They were with me.
I hope you enjoyed this video and understand how to use was and were correctly. Keep practicing these sentences every day and your English will also be improved step by step. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to Speak with Indu. Thank you for watching.